Whoa, it is a strange material. Stop farting outside. You have a small... Greetings and salutations, my name is Occult, and welcome to my sanctuary. To those of you new here, you're very, very welcome. I hope you like it here. Stick around, watch my other videos, comment down below. And if you don't like them, tell me why not. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. We're way into 800 subscribers now. I can't believe it. I really can't. It's amazing. I do hope we get to 1,000 one day. That'll be really cool. Maybe I'll even do a giveaway. I don't know how, but I'll think of a way. Anyway, I hope you are excited for this video because you've seen the name of it and you like the brand. Because it is the wonderful alternative brand called Toofast. Now, I've never actually done a video of Toofast on its own. I have purchased them here and there through various shops. I have a few items. Notably, I have the absolutely stunning alternative Christmas jumpers, so to speak. I do have one. I did a few Christmas videos last year, one of which says Hail Santa. It is incredible, love that one. And I think I have another one, I can't remember quite what it says, but it's absolutely amazing as well. So I do know of the brand. It's just wasn't as easy to come by in New Zealand, nor is it here. And people actually don't sell a lot secondhand here either, which is how I like to buy things these days as well. But I did see that they were having a sale, and it was quite a substantial one. I did buy a few sale items which were like ridiculously discounted, but I've also bought a few things new that I was just dying to have. They have the most gorgeous, absolutely killer swimsuits. They are literally the best designs out there, and you'll see why when I show you. I did get those, I think, full price. I did attempt to get one before of one of these designs. I literally ordered it and even, I think, paid for it, and they told me it was sold out. I was so pissed off. I was just like, no way, but it was a while ago now, so I've come down. I saw they still had them and I thought, no, I really want one, so I just went for it. I just got the parcel today. I haven't even opened it or looked at it, so I'm just gonna attempt that now. Now, I can't quite remember what I got. I got a few things. I also don't promise that I will actually do a try-on on the swimsuits. I mean, I'm a fairly brave person, but I don't think I'm that brave. If it kind of looks okay, I might insert a photo, but I'm just not sure. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to wait and find out, because I don't even know at this point myself. Okay, what do we have here? Let's start with this item. This was literally discounted to cost about $5. Look at that. This is like a little hat with a bunch of bats on it. And I think I once already bought gloves from them with bats on them, but it was just black gloves with white bats. God, where did I put this? But look at this. Look how adorable this is. Look at the bats here. They're like all different colors, including purple. It is stunning. And look at their cute label. Loud Fast Rules. toofast.com. And look at this, it's purple and fluffy, I love it. It will probably look silly, and it says, fuck this shit and buy on it, which is great. And you can't really read it, so it's not that apparent. Does it look cute? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god, it's adorable. I love it. Do you think this is okay to go to a school run? I'll probably look like one of the children just with heavy makeup on. I love it, it's cute. Okay, next item. And next, we have... ooh, I think it's one of the bathing suits. Okay, let's look at it. Let us look at it. Oh, it's a two-piece. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. It has all the star signs on it. And it has these, what do you call them, swimming cups or something like that, or floating cups. You can take them out. I will probably have to take them out, otherwise they won't fit into this. And you just like literally pull it on. There's no no other things apart from the strap to hold it up. So you kind of put it on, I assume, over your head. And that's it. Okay, let's look at the briefs from it. No, that looks okay. That looks sort of high-waisted enough. But they do look really big. What size did I get? I must have got... The thing is, because they sold it as a set, you can't really choose, because I'm actually different sizes on top and on the bottom. So I must have... Yeah, I got an XL. So the briefs might be a bit loose-ish. Although, I don't know. I'll have to see. I'll have to do a try on and look at the back of it. It's so cute. So cute. Yeah, we'll see. If it doesn't look too bad, I'll do something. I'll show you the model here anyway, so you can check it out. But yeah, I don't know if I can like do this on camera, sorry. And the other funny thing is, I like ordered this in July or like early July. It is now September. Unless sometimes we do get a couple of weeks mid-September of almost summer coming back. It's still probably gonna be too cold to swim. So unfortunately, these swimsuits are gonna have to wait until next year. And that's a shame, because the one I'm about to show you is the one that I've wanted for like at least 2 years, that I finally got. This is a one piece. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think I also got it in XL, and you'll understand why I wanted it when I show you. How is this not absolute freaking perfection? Look at that. It has a spiderweb top. It is black and purple with bats on it. Who can possibly resist this? No one. No one. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. You can't resist this either. This is, when you see it on me, you will appreciate this. No, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's the most gorgeous thing ever. And look at that. That is stunning. And look at the back of it. Like, oh, it's perfect. Absolutely. This is the best swimsuit possibly ever invented. Again, there's cups in there and you can probably take them out. But, I mean, this is the best design of a swimsuit I have ever seen. I think it was literally like 60 bucks. This is probably the most expensive swimsuit I've ever got in my entire life. But, I mean, it is just, it's everything a swimsuit can be, ever. Okay, last item, also clothing. This dress was discounted in a very silly way. Now, the size of it is an L, so hopefully it will fit. So this is a very strange kind of material. I'm gonna look up what this actually is in terms of material, because I expected this to be either like black milk sort of style or something. I can't even find what material this is. There we are. 92 polyester and 8 spandex. I'm pretty confused because it feels almost like it's so soft but kind of flannelly. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know if it's meant to be... Is it a dress? Is it a nightie? I don't know. But I'm sure you've all seen this on Instagram, those of you who follow lots of various gothy models, because this dress is known for being shown on the one and only Death Candy, who I think is from Greece and recently had an adorable little boy. She's wearing this dress with something like black over it, with, you know, her usual huge boots, hat, belt. Looks like absolutely perfect. Who could not buy it after that photo? I don't know. But frankly, even apart from the photo, I do like the dress anyway, because I really like star sign theme, and I love the purple, obviously. I like the combination of the pink and the purple, and I do have a few pink items now. I have pink boots, which I love. So I think you can style this in many, many different ways, and you know, if worse comes to worse, I mean, it's soft enough and flannelly enough to sleep in it when it's getting really cold. So, that's the unboxing part done, and now, on with the try-on. Will I try on the swimsuits or not? I don't know, but we'll find out. So, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Which was your favorite item? Do you buy Too Fast? Have you heard of them? I think they're quite famous, but you don't see them as often as other brands. It's certainly not as often on Instagram as, say, Killstar is, but what do you think of them? Let me know down below in the comments, and I hope you have a pleasant time of day wherever you are, and greetings and salutations to you.